Hello friends, welcome to my channel SCS Vajra Tutorials. In this class, we'll discuss a video on blood relation from reasoning section. Okay. From this chapter, we have a chance to get 2 to 3 questions in prelims level and mains level 5 questions. Okay. In this type of problems, we should put proper attention to find out the correct relation between the persons. Let me start today's session. We should know some of the information regarding blood relation, that is generation tree. Okay. In first generation, take it as A, our grandparents, grandfather, grandmother. Okay. In second generation, that is B, mother, father, aunt, uncle, mother-in-law, father-in-law. These are the second generation. And third generation, that is C, brother, sister, husband, wife, brother-in-law, sister-in-law, and myself. Okay, this is the third generation. And fourth generation, daughter, son, son-in-law, daughter-in-law, and remaining niece, nephew. And fifth generation, that is E, grandson and granddaughter. Okay, these are the generation tree. By using this generation tree, we can answer any difficult question from blood relation. Okay. Before going to solve questions, we need to remember some of the key points. That is, always male, female. Male categories with box. Okay, denote male as box and female as circle. Okay, and couple, married couple, that is wife and husband with 2 horizontal lines. And brother and sister, and brother-in-law, sister-in-law, that is single line. Okay. And father generation gap we know. Okay, vertical line. These are the basic key points. Always remember male as box or plus as you wish, and circle or minus. And for couple, husband and wife, married couple with 2 lines horizontal, and brother and sister, brother-in-law and sister-in-law relation with single line. Let me see some of the questions on blood relations. First question, A, B and C are sisters. Okay, A, B, C are sisters. Okay, sisters in the sense female. Okay, circle these. And relation, sisters and brothers, brother-in-law and sister-in-law with single line. D is the brother of E. Okay, this is D is the brother, means square box, brother of E, that is E. We don't know the gender of E. And E is the daughter of B. Okay, generation gap. E is the daughter of B. So, we'll confirm E gender as female. How is A related to D? If A and B are sisters, then B is mother of E and A is sister of B. Then A is related to D as aunt. Okay. Option E is the right answer for this question. Next question. A, B are married couple. A and B are married couple. We don't know which one is husband, which one is wife. Leave it like. X and Y are brothers. X is the brother of A. Okay. X is the brother of A. X and Y are brothers. So, Y also brother. How is Y related to B? Okay. If A and B are wife and husband, if we take A as husband, Y is related to B as brother-in-law. If we take B as husband, Y is related to brother-in-law. Okay. So, option A is the right answer for this question. Next question. F is brother of A. F is brother of A. C is the daughter of A. C is the daughter of A. D is the sister of F. D is the sister female of F. G is the brother of C. G is the brother of C. Then who is the uncle of G? If C and G are kids of A, then F is related to G as uncle. Okay. So, F is the right answer for this question. Option C is the right answer. Next question. A is brother of B. B is brother of C. Okay. A is brother of B and B is brother of C. D is father of A. D is father of A. Based on these three statements, which of the following statement cannot be definitely true? First one, B is brother of A. That is absolutely true. Next option, B is the son of D. B is the son of D, also definitely true. Next, A is brother of C. A is brother of C. Correct. And fourth one, C is brother of A. Okay. Here we don't know the gender of C. So we cannot conclude as C is brother of A. Okay. So definitely cannot be true. Option D is the right answer. Next question. P is the son of Q. P is the son of Q. While Q and R are the sisters to one another. Q and R sisters to each other. T is the mother of R. Okay. T is the mother of R. If S is the son of T. Which of the following statement is correct? A. T is brother of Q. T is not brother of Q. Okay. S is cousin of P. No. Q and S are sisters. No. S is the maternal uncle of P. S is the maternal uncle of P. Right. Okay. So option D is the right answer. Okay friends, this is our today's session. While solving blood relations questions, if in a question, if not mentioned paternal or maternal, we should assume it as paternal. Okay. And we cannot find gender by using name. Okay. Always solve statement by generations only. Then you can easily answer the question. Always be careful about he and she. By that only we can conclude generations. Genders. Make a clear picture in your mind about different relations. Always make a generation tree. It will make your solution easily and simple way. Be careful about paternal and maternal relationship. These are the simple tips to solve blood relation. In upcoming session, we'll discuss coded blood relations and some more difficult questions on blood relations. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel SCS Vajra Tutorials and like the video if you like and share with your friends. Thank you.